Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new school year. We are going to enact a new policy for students who are quarantined or have an extended absence, and per Wayne's email, we're going to work on just adding an absence folder into Schoology. So as you can see here, I'm already in one of my classes. What I'm going to do is just click this Add Materials button, then I can click Add Folder. I would suggest making your folder red or something that stands out, and we're just going to title this guy Absence Folder. Then if you want to put any directions in here for your folder description, you can. This is what I put for mine. I'll put it in the description of this video if you would like to use that as a template. Obviously, you want to edit this part about schedule office hours with Señor. Once you're done there, you can go ahead and click Create. It will pop your folder in there in just a moment. And then what I would recommend is if you click this little arrow guy, it will expand the folder. You can then add more folders. So what we want to do is just click Add Materials, Add Folder again, and we're just going to make a folder with the date for each one. So this is the first day of school. I can click Create here. And then if it doesn't go down like mine did, all I have to do is click and drag, and I can kind of overlay it down here. Sometimes it's a little fussy. There we go. So I can just click it and drag it right in here. And now you can kind of see that the September 8th folder is a subfolder. And then if I have any instructional materials or work that was covered in class or notes or whatever, I can just put it in that September 8th folder, and then the student can view it if they're on quarantine or absent. So if you have any questions about adding your absence folder or configuring anything, please let me know. Looking forward to a great school year. Hope you had a wonderful, restful summer, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.